Citing Supreme Court verdict, Madras High Court orders enhanced pension. The Hindu dated 24/8/2020. Pensioner found eligible for revision under EPS 95 scheme. The Madurai bench of the Madras High Court, citing the Supreme Court verdict in the landmark R.C. Gupta case 2016, has ordered enhancement of pension payable to the legitimate found eligible for the revision of pension of higher wages. The petitioner B. Dhanasekaran had joined the Agricultural Cooperative Credit Society in Paramkudi as secretary in 1978 and retired in 2012. He contended that from 1992 he had been remitting the Provident Fund contribution on the entire salary and not based on the wage ceiling limit. Under clause 11 of 3 of the Employees Pension Scheme 1995 on the determination of pensionable salary, the maximum pensionable salary was limited to Rs 6,500 per month. However, if the option of the employer and the employee, the contribution paid on the salary exceeding Rs 6,500 per month from the date of commencement of the scheme or from the date the salary exceeds Rs 6,500, whichever is later, and the 8.33% share of the employer is remitted into the pension fund. The pensionable salary will be based on such higher salary in 2014. Under the Employees Pension Amendment Scheme, the maximum pensionable salary was revised to Rs 15,000. No cut-off date. The Supreme Court ruled in the R.C. Gupta case that there was no cut-off date to determine the eligibility of the employer-employee to indicate their option under clause 11 of 3 of the pension scheme. A beneficial scheme ought not to be allowed to be defeated by reference to a cut-off date. Further, the Supreme Court held that in the situation where the deposit of the employee's salary was on actual salary and not the ceiling amount, all that the Provident Fund Commissioner was required to do was adjustment of accounts. He could seek the return of all such accounts that employees concerned may have taken or withdrawn from their provident account fund before granting the benefit of clause 11 of 3 of the pension scheme. Relying on this, the petitioner sought enhancement of pension. His earlier petition in 2018 was disposed of with a direction to the authorities concerned to consider his representation based on the Supreme Court ruling. As his representation was not considered, he filed a fresh petition before the court. Justice G.R. Swaminathan took cognizance of the communication sent to the petitioner by the Provident Fund Commissioner, where it was admitted the petitioner was eligible for revision of pension on higher wages. He directed the additional Central Provident Fund Commissioner, Pension and the Provident Fund Commissioner to undertake the exercise as per the Supreme Court ruling.